Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel Easy Paper Art. Hope you all are fine. Today I am showing you some different mirror ideas that are very amazing and beautiful for your home decoration. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and also share it to your family and friends. And like my video and comment on it. And you can tell me about your choice of decoration ideas so I can make more videos for you. As you can see, these are very beautiful and amazing mirror ideas from acrylic paint and clay. You can also avail these from market and also online mart. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz viewers.